Hi fourth grades, this is Mr. Muhammad Salah again. Welcome to our new revision for lesson 12.1, 2, 6, 7 and 8. And in all these lessons we have studied first benchmarks of customary units of length, which are foot, yard, cup, gallon, ounce, and pound. Second, benchmarks for some metric units, which are centimeter, meter, milliliter, liter, gram, and kilogram. Alright, now let's practice. The first question says, use benchmarks to choose the customary unit you would use to measure each. Number 1, length of a school bus. And when I talk about a benchmark of length, you should to think about inch, foot, or yard. You should to choose between them. Inch, foot, or yard. Which one is right? Inch is not a suitable unit for a school bus. Foot also is not a suitable unit of a school bus. Yard, it's a suitable unit for a school bus. So I'm gonna choose yard. Number 2, weight of a computer. You should to think in one of customary units of weight. Ounce or pound. Ounce or pound. Choose the best one, the suitable one. Best one in your mind, I think pound. Yes. Question 3. Use benchmark to choose the metric unit you would use to measure each. The amount of liquid a bottle of detergent holds. Detergent holds that you have used nowadays to protect yourself from bacteria. You should to think about gallon, cup, and you should to choose the best one for you. Think and choose cup or gallon. I think you will choose cup. Number 4, distance between two cities. You should to think about meter, kilometer, the suitable one for the distance between two cities. And in your opinion, I think you will choose the best one is kilogram. Great. Here we go. Complete. Question 1. 5 feet equals how many inches? I'm gonna answer question 1, question 4, and 5. Because they have the same relationship between feet and inches. Feet and inches. Feet and inches. 5 feet equals how many inches? Ask yourself, how many inches in 1 feet? Great, 12. So I'm gonna multiply 5 by 12. 5 by 12 equals 5 pi 2, 10. 0 and we carry up 1. 5 by 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So 60 inches. Number 4, 4 feet equals how many inches? I'm gonna multiply 4 by what? Great job. 12. 4 by 12. 4 by 2 equals 8. And 4 by 1 equals 4. So 48 inches are there in 4 feet. Here, 6 feet equals how many inches? How many inches in 1 feet? Great, 12. So I'm gonna multiply 6 by 12. 6 by 2, also 12. 2 and we carry up 1. 6 by 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 72. Alright, I solved 3 questions that has the same idea. I'm gonna choose question 2, 3, and 6. Question 2, 3, and 6. And 6. They have the same idea also. Yards, feet. So I'm gonna ask myself, how many feet are there in 1 yard? Excellent, 3. So I'm gonna multiply the 3 by 3. There are 3 feet in 1 yard. So I'm gonna multiply my number by 3. The answer is 9. Question 3. 5 yards equals how many feet? Ask yourself, how many feet? Extend 3 feet in each 1 yard. So 5 multiply 3, 15. Easy questions. Here, 8 multiply what? Directly 12. No, wrong teacher. You are wrong. 8 multiply 3. Great job. 8 multiply 3 equals 24. Here we go. Complete. Here, first the question says 3 meters equals how many decimeters? You should to ask yourself, how many decimeters in 1 meter? Excellent, 10. So I'm gonna multiply 3 by 10. The correct answer is 30. 30 decimeters are there in 3 meters. Yes. Let's take another question. Number 2. 5 meters equals how many centimeters? Ask yourself, how many centimeters are there in 1 meter? Great! 100. So I'm gonna multiply 5 by 100 equals 500 centimeters. Question 3. 4 centimeters equals how many millimeters? Ask yourself, how many millimeters are there in centimeter? Excellent, 10. So I'm gonna multiply 4 by 10. The answer is 40 millimeters. Question 4. 9 decimeters equals how many centimeters? Ask yourself, how many centimeters in 1 decimeter? Great, also 10. So I'm gonna multiply 9 by 10. 90. The correct answer is 90 centimeters. Here we go, kilograms into grams. How many grams are there in kilogram? 1000, teacher. 1000 gram in 1 kilogram. So 4 kilograms, 4 multiplied 1000 equals 4,000. Question 2. 9 liters equals how many milliliters? Can you do it directly? Yes, I know it. Excellent. So the answer is 9,000. Question 3. 3 liters equals how many milliliters? 3,000. 3,000, teacher. 3,000 milliliters. Number 4, 7 kilograms equals how many grams? 7,000 grams. 5 kilograms equals how many grams? 5,000 grams. 8 liters equals how many milliliters? Excellent, 8 milliliters. Easy, teacher. Here, we're gonna convert from hour to minute. In this question, we are gonna convert from hour to minutes. Ask yourself how many minutes are there in 1 hour. Great, 60. So you should multiply 3 by 60. 3 by 60 equals what? I'm gonna use a fact which tells 3 by 6 equals 18. 18 tenths or 180. Excellent, guys. Let's go to the next question. 2 years, 2 weeks. 2 years equals how many weeks? I'm gonna ask myself, how many weeks in 1 year? How many weeks? Do you remember that? Great! 52. 52 by 2, because I have 2 years. So 52 by 2. Excellent. 2 by 2 equals 4. And 2 by 5 equals 10. So the answer 104 weeks. Numbers 3, 6 days equals how many hours? 6 days equals how many hours? Now ask yourself, there are 24 teachers, 24 hours in 1 day, so I'm gonna multiply 6 by 24. 6 by 4, 6 by 4, excellent, 24 also. So I'm gonna write 4 and we carry up 2. 6 by 2, 12, plus 2, 14. 144 hours. Here, 5 weeks equals how many days? 5 weeks equals how many days? Excellent. There are 7 days in 1 week. So I'm gonna multiply 5 by 7. 35, teacher. Well done. 8 minutes equals how many seconds? How many seconds are there in 1 minute? Great, 60. 60 by what? 8. 8 by 60. I'm gonna use a fact which tells 8 by 6 equals 48. And don't forget to put 0, so the answer 480 seconds. The last question here, 7 years equals how many months? How many months are there in 1 year? How many months? How many months? Excellent, 12. 12 months by 7. 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 14. 4 and you carry up 1. 7 by 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Excellent. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye bye.